school, a brand new place, with a smile on her face, but doubts in her space. She's got joy, sadness, and anger in tow, but insecurity sneakin, taking it slow. She's a maverick in the mind, leading the way through the highs and the lows of every single day. SchoolBus.Rocks, she's got courage in her soul. With the global elites network, she's reaching her goal. Personality in the violence, they start to crack, but Riley's got the strength to bring them all back. Family, friendship, and hockey too. She's rebuilding her world, learning what's true. In the halls of high school, the pressure's real tight, but Maverick Riley's not giving up the fight. She's juggling grades and friends in the mix. With each step she takes, she's learning new tricks. She faces her fears, sees through the haze. With insecurity near, she's counting her ways, but with joy by her side and sadness too. Riley's learning life's colors aren't just one hue. Hockey Island's back, stronger than before. Riley's on the ice, ready to school. She's found her passion, reignited her flame. With SchoolBus.Rocks, she's back in the game. Even when anger flares and fear creeps in, Riley's got the tools to start again. With disgust, sharp wit, and joy's bright cheer, she's rocking the halls with nothing to fear. Insecurity's there, but she's not alone. With a team by her side, she's fully grown. Adventure, courage, leadership in her stride. Riley's riding the waves, taking it in stride. She's a maverick in the mind, leading the way through the highs and the lows of every single day. SchoolBus.Rocks, she's got courage in her soul. With the global elites network, she's reaching her goal. In the classroom she shines, with a curious mind. Maverick Riley's not the lagging behind kind. She's asking the questions, pushing the bar. With SchoolBus.Rocks, she's gonna go far. Lunchtime's a maze, with clicks and clicks, but Riley's got the charm, and she's got the tricks. She's bridging the gaps, making new friends. With every smile she shares, the fun never ends. When the weekend comes, she's back on the move, exploring her passions, finding her groove. Whether it's art or sports, she's taking the lead. Maverick Riley's got the heart to succeed. So kids, take a lesson from Riley's fight. Through the ups and the downs, you'll find your light. Be a maverick in your mind, let your courage flow. With SchoolBus.Rocks, you'll continue to grow.